Yo, what's up, tech fam? Most people think they know WhatsApp, but trust me, they're using barely 40% of it. Today, I'm breaking down WhatsApp hidden features in 2026 that will completely change how you chat, call, and protect your privacy. Let's get into it. Did you know you can now hide your online status, last seen, and profile photo from specific people without blocking them? Yeah, no drama, no awkwardness. Just go to settings, then privacy, and customize who sees what. This is next level control. If you hate long voice notes like I do, WhatsApp lets you increase playback speed automatically, 1.5 times or 2 times, without tapping every time. Perfect for productivity addicts and busy people. Your phone storage crying. WhatsApp 2026 has smart media download rules. You choose who can send you media, what gets saved, and what stays cloud only. Clean phone. Clean life. WhatsApp now helps you rewrite messages professionally, shorten long texts, and, fix grammar instantly. It's just perfect for work chats, clients, and, those late-night typo saves. Group admins. This one's for you. You can now approve messages before they go live, limit who can talk, and auto-remove spam accounts. Group chaos. Deleted. No more blurry status videos, seriously. WhatsApp finally supports high-quality image and video uploads for status. Just toggle HD before posting. Your content stays sharp like it totally should. Ever searched a chat from like 3 years ago? Now you can filter by links, images, videos, and even voice notes. It's basically Google for your WhatsApp chats. Turn on chat backups with encryption, 2-step verification, and device-linked accounts. And boom, you're officially a WhatsApp power user for real. So yeah, these were the WhatsApp hidden features you need to know in 2026. If you learned something new, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, apps, and future updates, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay smart, stay techy.